myconsult, and since 2003 we actually have been helping business owners simplify their accounting processes. We actually started this YouTube channel so that we can actually help more people use their accounting software more effectively. We would really greatly appreciate it if you can actually like and subscribe so we can actually reach more people organically. So in this video, we will be actually looking into how we can record the monthly payroll entry inside AutoCount. For our clients, we will always recommend that the salary is recorded with a journal entry and into accrual accounts. For this example, let's say we have a total salary of Rm 10,000 ringgit. Alright, then we have an EPF employer portion based on a 13% will be 1,300, and the EPF employee portion will be 1,100. Alright, okay, so the double entry for this monthly payroll would be debit salary expenses for 10,000, debit EPF employer expenses account for 1,300, credit EPF payable, which is 2,004, means it's 1,003 plus the employee portion of 1,001, and then we'll credit our salary payable for 8,900. Okay, entry, we will actually need to use a journal entry, so let's come to GL here. We can come to journal entry. Alright, so let's say we press new. So let's say for example this will be salary for the month of May 2023. Alright, so what happened is, of course, the date will usually be the last day of the month, and then from here we will select our account code. So based on just now the journal entry, first of all we need to type our salary account code, salaries first. This will be a debit entry for 10,000. Alright, and then after that we go to the next line, salary, this will be EPF employee expenses, so it's an expenses account, it will be a debit entry, and it will be for 13%, so it's 1,300. Then we go down to the next line, EPF payable, right? So EPF payable will comprise of both employee and employer portion. So just now remember we said the employees portion 1,001, so 1,001 plus 1,003 it becomes 2,400, and then the difference will go into your salary payable account, right? So this will be the net amount that you actually pay to your employees, so this will be 8,900. Okay, so then once it's done, you can see here 11,300 means the journal entry is balanced. So once you're done, we just press save. Alright, so another tip that we have here is something that you can actually use to save time. So let's say next month you want to generate the same transaction again. All you just need to do is you just double click in here. Here we have one called copy to a new journal entry. Alright, so let's say we change this to, say now we change to the month of June. Alright, and then we change this to June 30th 06 2023, and then what happens is, of course, we just need to copy this, and then from here let's make it bigger a bit. We can just overwrite this, yeah, paste, alright. So now if the amount is the same, then of course you do not need to make any adjustment. So if there's any changes, you can just come in here and change to the correct amount, and of course make sure your debit and credit ties again. So once you're done, you just press save, and we already have two journal entries, one for May and one for June. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is to create the salary transaction inside AutoCount. Again, do like and subscribe so that you will be notified when we release new guides. Thank you.